so good. Are those your A's?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that is so good. Is that what you're learning in school?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? You want to practice some more?
Remember the A. No. No, it's a big A.
So good. That's a really big A. Whoa, whoa, that is a big A. Wow, you are so good at that. Hey, do you want to do a really small A? Can you do a really small one?
Yeah.
Do a really small one.
Yeah.
That's so good, Anais. Oh, good job. I'm so proud of you, Anais. I'm so proud of you. Can you spell your name?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Whoa. 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 Now what? Oh, good job. Oh. Anais, you're a genius.
Yeah.
Wow, that is really good. That was a really good A. That was a really good A. Do you know your name starts with A? Did you know that? You did know that?
Yeah. It's another A.
Okay, do another A.
Okay.
Okay.
That's 3 A's.
Just 3 A's. Okay. Oh, that was a good one. Where's the third one?
Right here.
Wow. Oh, there's a fourth one. Oh, good job. Wow. You are so good at that.
I still get it in that.
Yeah, you're so good at that. Yep, can't forget to cross the A's. Oh, there you go. Oh, so good. Good job. Wow, that was so good, Anais.